Very rich. Look at all the building, all the big cars. Very serious. Wow. Look at that one train. Wow, can get the mango or not? See? The mango, guys. Daming bunga. Oh. It is in the warehouse. This is the warehouse, guys. It's a really warehouse. Pag pumunta dito, guys. Ayaw ko dito mag-isa. Grabe, oh. Yung warehouse namin. Ha? Not working lah? Sure not. Really warehouse. Exercise. Dito na kami sa warehouses. Ang init. Grabe. Office namin. Parating na kami doon. Morning! Ito warehouse namin, guys. Ito kayo. Ito yung warehouse namin, guys. Ito kayo. So, mga iba-ibang brand namin. Dito kami nakatayo. Morning! Good morning! Good morning! Stocks namin, guys. Wala na, ubos na. Ubos na ang mga stocks ko. Ito kayo, guys. Ang warehouse namin. Wala na. Paubos na mga stocks namin. Dami, oh. Good morning! Today, many orders, ah? Wow. That's good. Online one or department? See, guys. Stock namin. This is. So Swizzle just came in one, so many stocks. Yes. Guys, stocks namin. Bili na kayo. Bili na kayo, guys. Mga tour kayo sa warehouse namin. Okay. Dito kami, guys. Mga stocks namin. Dito kami mag-work ngayon, guys. Mag-warehouse. Sige, guys. Dito muna tayo magtrabaho. Ingat na lang tayo lahat. Salamat sa lahat. See you again later. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.